Welcome to this video where we'll explore the separation of powers in the U.S. Constitution. The U.S. Constitution establishes three separate branches of government: the legislative, executive, and judicial branches. Each branch has its own unique powers and responsibilities, ensuring a system of checks and balances. The legislative branch, comprising the House of Representatives and the Senate, creates laws. The executive branch, headed by the President, enforces and administers those laws. Lastly, the judicial branch, led by the Supreme Court, interprets the laws and resolves legal disputes. This separation of powers prevents any one branch from becoming too powerful, protecting against tyranny. It guarantees that each branch functions independently while cooperating to maintain a stable government. By dividing power, the Constitution ensures that no single entity holds all authority, promoting democracy. Understanding the separation of powers is crucial to comprehending the functioning of the U.S. government.